Now we're making some family favorite smashed potatoes. So these are big dog smashed potatoes that we're going to be making with the coat of arms seasoning on them. So the potatoes have been in salted boiling water for about 20 odd minutes, given 5 minutes to rest, and well, the next step is to just smash them basically. So we don't want to, really like mash them into nothing. We just want to give them a nice firm press so they're about 1.5 centimeters high. So here we go. All right, so now we have a massive tray full of smashed potatoes. So now we're going to put a mixture of melted butter and oil over. So just melt the butter in the microwave and a little bit of oil as well. So there's not a lot of science to it, you just want to get it on there. And this is really going to help to crisp them up a bit. So best to just try and move it around a little bit so it spreads quite evenly across them where possible. That all looks good. And now the final piece is the coat of arms seasoning. So just a generous hit of it with the shaker here. So the coat of arms has rosemary and fennel in it, which gives it a very unique flavour. It works really well with potatoes, among many other things. So I reckon those are pretty good to go. And just in the oven at 180 for about 45 minutes to an hour until they're nice and crispy.